Welcome viewers to my channel. So in previous video we have discussed about matter, composition of matter and properties of matter. So in this video we are going to perform some experiments to make this video interesting and make it easy to learn. Now we come to know that gases diffuses faster in atmosphere, whereas liquid also diffuses, but the rate of diffusion of liquid is less than that of gas. So some liquid mix with one another very easily, they are called miscible liquids, whereas some liquids, they do not mix with one another completely, they are known as immiscible liquids. Now one example of diffusion is in front of you, that you have sometime you have smelled the bad smell of LPG leakage in your home. So you can easily detect the gas is leaking because the particles are randomly in motion around the gases through diffusion. So in the second example is when you put a few drops of red ink in a clean water, in a glass of water, and you can see that the particles are easily dissolved in water and the color of the water is changed. So this is a diffusion of particles in liquid. Now this is very clear to you that different matters have different properties on the basis of intermolecular force of attraction between them and random motion of particles. So the movement of particles from one place to another place through a medium is known as Brownian moments. This is also known as random motion of particles. This is about the motion of particles, and the other way is diffusion, in which particles of same kind, they diffuses with one another in a medium. So, or we can say that intermixing of particles in one medium. Now students, we are starting with our experiment. In this experiment, we required few things, and the things are a glass, a bottle of water, glasses, spoon to stir, a dropper. Here I have taken a fork, it is easily available at your home, and these are some two toothpicks through which we can stir the solutions. So here I have taken two liquid colored solutions, red and green. This is sugar, this is salt, these are some pebbles or stones you can say it, and this is some oil. So here we are conducting an experiment on miscible and immiscible solutions. So we are conducting our first experiment, that is miscible liquids or solution. Now we have taken water in these two glasses. Now I will tell you that water is a universal solvent. Whatever is mixed with water, it is easily dissolved. So this is a miscible property of liquid. So here we will take few sugar molecules. These are small sugar molecules. I am adding this in this glass of water. You cannot add more few and stir it. Now I have stirred this water, and you can see easily that no molecule of sugar is seen here. This means that sugar is completely dissolved in this water. Now we will take a spoon of salt. This is again a solute. We will call it in chemical language, this is a solute particles, and we will add this solute again in this liquid solution. Now you can see here this salt, after stirring with water, it is completely dissolved in water. So I am stirring it here, and you will see, now you can see here all water is completely dissolved in this, all salt is completely dissolved in this water. Now in our second experiment, we will do with colored solution. So here I have taken red color solution, and this is a solute particles of red. So I have prepared this solution with this color also. Now this is in liquid form, and this is in solute form or in solid particles. Now we will do this, and you can easily know how I have done this experiment. So I have taken this plain glass of water here, and I will mix here red color liquid solution with the help of dropper. Few drops of colored solution I will pour in this glass of water. Now you can see here, after stirring it with spoon, you can see here that the color of the water is changes to light orange color. So this shows that liquid is easily dissolved in liquid. So the particles are completely dissolved, and this solution is also known as miscible liquid or miscible solution. Now here I have taken solute particles of green color, and I will add with the help of this toothpick. I will add few particles. These are solute form. I will add this solute in liquid, and now you can see that here the color completely dissolved in the water. This shows that again this is a miscible solution. Here the solute particles dissolved in water completely, means whether it is a liquid solution or whether it is a solute or solid particles, if they are completely dissolved in plain liquid solution or plain water, this means that both the solutes or solutions are miscible with water. Now for immiscible solutions, we'll take water, few pebbles and few drops of oil. This oil is easily available at your home. I have taken mustard oil here. Now we have to take, with the help of this plucker, I will pick few pebbles and put it in a glass of water. Now you can see here, with the help of spoon I will stir it, and you can see here that no pebble is dissolving in water and the pebbles are remain at the bottom of this glass. Now after this we are adding some drops of oil with the help of dropper. See here, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. So I have added here 10 drops of oil here, and you can see here oil is floating on the surface of this water and pebbles are settled down at the base of the glass of water. So here you can judge that these two things, they are not dissolving in water properly. This shows that this solution is immiscible, means they are not mixing properly. All the particles are not mixing properly with each other and they are scattered here and there. In this way this experiment is completed, and you will get to know how miscible and immiscible solutions are prepared. So after performing all these experiments, you have come to know that different particles dissolve in solvents through different rate. So now, as you have seen in liquid, the particles are dissolving at a very fast rate, whereas in the particles that are in solid form, they are dissolved in liquid at a very slow rate. So this is about practicals and experiments related to matter. Hope you enjoy my video. Please like, subscribe and share my channel.